It's perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. Man, I got a song for y'all. Interesting. Actual writing. Something y'all ain't ever heard of. She wants a cowboy, so I just might find me some boots that fit me right. Chew some tobacco, ride me a Bronco on a southern Saturday night. I ain't never rode a horse or worn a cowboy hat, but I'll find me one that fits my head, and she won't know any of that. I keep walking this town, trying to get me some advice, but all the ranch hands around keep on saying they wanna fight. And I learned a two-step so I can spin her off her pretty little country feet. If she wants a cowboy, then I'll be as cowboy as a cowboy can be. Find me a horse that I can cover, find me some stars to sleep under, find me a train, I'll hop out west. If she wants a cowboy, I'll cowboy the best. She wanted a cowboy, so I went off and rode me a horse about every day. Got pretty good at ranching and riding, but she didn't care anyway. Champion buckles and champion spurs, I got everything but her. Now I'm a cowboy and she wants Nashville. What the hell was all this worth? Find me a horse that I can cover, find me some stars to sleep under, find me a train, I'll hop out west. If she wants Nashville, I'll Nashville the best.
Just when I thought I got him to fall in love with Tennessee, I should've known better than to take him back to Abilene. I put him right back into her arms. I wasn't a match for that kind of spark. She's from Texas, I can tell by stepping round the room, and judging by the smile that's written on his face, there's nothing I can do. It doesn't take a crystal ball to see a cowboy always finds a way to leave. Drinking Jack all by myself, he's choosing Texas, I can tell.